Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. The compact tablets such as Mi Pad 4 are not so popular today because the smartphones with large display replace this category of tablets. However, many people still use 10-inch tablets. As you understand, their main feature is big display. Today we are going to talk about ALLDOCUBE M5 tablet. It has 10.1-inch display with 2K resolution, MediaTek Helio X20 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 6500 mAh battery, and even dual SIM card support. It sounds very good, isn't it? Moreover, the price of this tablet is only $170. In this video we have unboxing and first review, but later we will make performance and battery tests. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. ALLDOCUBE M5 comes in a brand box of white color. There is model number on the front panel and sticker with some details about tablet on the back. Inside the box you will see the tablet in a transparent package. It has a factory film, however it is made and there are images with main features, so it is better to remove the factory film. Under it you can see another screen protector. Also there is power adapter and USB cable. By the way, the cable is wide and it is quite short. It is quite uncomfortable to use. The user manual is in both Chinese and English. Now let's look at design of ALLDOCUBE M5. The tablet has metal back cover of platinum color and white front panel. The dimensions are 24.1 by 17.1 by 0.87 cm and weight is 510 grams. The front panel has 10.1-inch display with quite thick bezels around. Also there is 2-megapixel front camera. The rear panel has another 5-megapixel camera and flashlight. On top you can find removable part for dual SIM and microSD memory cards. Also there is 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB port. The power button and volume rocker are on the right side. The speaker grills are both on left and right sides, which is very good. That's all. In general, ALLDOCUBE M5 has good build quality and it looks premium. Talking about display, it has 10.1-inch diagonal and 2K resolution, 2560 by 1600 pixels. IPS panel has good color reproduction and viewing angles. The screen supports up to 10 touches. You can use the tablet outdoors. However, with brightness of only 190 lux, it is uncomfortable to use in direct sunlight. It is better to find a shadow. ALLDOCUBE M5 is powered by a really good chipset MediaTek Helio X20 or MT6797. This is Deca core processor with maximum clock speed of 2.3 GHz. Also there is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. As I already said, you can use microSD memory cards to expand the storage. The tablet scores about 101,000 points in Antutu, which is a really good result. There is 1491 points in single-core test and 4677 points in multi-core test of Geekbench 4. Later, we will make detailed performance test of ALLDOCUBE M5 with GPS, Wi-Fi, memory speed and even games. You can find it by the link in description. The tablet runs on Android 8.0 Oreo operating system. It is stock Android system with multi-language support. 4GB of RAM provides very good multitasking. You can open many apps and don't have any problems. Also you can use split screen function. It is very useful on big display. You can watch YouTube videos on one side and browse different websites on the second. In general, user interface runs very fast and smooth. We didn't notice any problems, lags or slowdowns. because most likely you will often watch movies on it. ALLDOCUBE M5 has dual speaker on the right and left sides. From other side, I cannot say it is high quality. The sound is pretty loud, but it lacks basses. You can use 3.5mm audio jack to listen to music through headphones or connect the external speaker. The price of ALLDOCUBE M5 is only $170. It is excellent tablet for its price. It has 10.1-inch display with 2K resolution, Helio X20 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and a dual SIM card support. However, the speaker and camera are average. If the camera is not so interesting, then the speaker plays an important role for the tablet. Later, we will make performance test with games and battery test. You can find these videos by the links in description. Thanks for watching, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.